Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by limiting damage. Back up only essential files to an external drive or iCloud, then disconnect Wi-Fi and peripherals to prevent spread. Next, reboot into safe mode, press and hold Shift on Intel, or power on and hold the startup options on Apple Silicon. Once in safe mode, system extensions won't load, so you can run scans and inspect login items safely. Make sure to note any unusual apps, processes, or recent downloads. These are your first targets for removal. You now detect and remove malicious software. Run a trusted scanner like Malwarebytes in safe mode and quarantine everything it flags. Then, open users and groups to remove unfamiliar login items and inspect /library/launch agents, /library/launch daemons, and /library/launch agents for suspicious plist files. Move them to a quarantine folder. Next, uninstall unknown applications from applications and delete related. Finish by cleaning user-facing components and securing accounts. Reset browser preferences, remove unknown extensions, and clear caches and cookies to eliminate persistent redirects. Then update macOS and all apps to patch vulnerabilities. Change passwords for key accounts and enable two-factor authentication. If you need to restore files, only bring data back from backups you scanned and confirmed clean. If the problem remains, reinstall macOS via recovery mode. Troubleshooting tip: if malware returns, boot to recovery, wipe the drive, reinstall, and restore only scanned files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.